Alright boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a wonder here with us, and this time the song is called Magnificent. So this one is really magnificent, this song, great song here. We had them before on this channel. Last time I think it was with the song Better Now, and this one is even better in my opinion. So great song from A Wonder. Let's start right away, and we don't need any capo for this, and we need to look at 6 chords for the song. Okay, so 6 chords. So let's start with the chords and with E. So that is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. The next chord will be E sus4, very similar to E. Sounds like that. And that is open E, second A, second D, second G here, and that is where the differs from E. Instead of first G, you play now second G, and then open B and open E. Next chord will be A. So that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. Next chord is C sharp minor. So you need to put a bar here on the 4th fret from A string and down, so that means 5 strings. And the rest will be 6 on D string, 6 on G, and 5th on B. Then we have the B, a bar on the 2nd fret this time from the A string and down. So that means 5 strings still, and we have the rest on 4th D, 4th on G, and 4th on B. And many times, and also in this song, I just put a bar there on the 4th fret from the D string and down. And when I strum, I stay away from the E string here, so I don't bar that also. So yeah, I strum in the middle strings here. So that's how I handle the B now. So don't get confused if you don't see all these fingers here on the 4th frets. I usually use the bar like that. All right, and the final chord will be F sharp minor. So it's still a bar on the 2nd fret, this time all strings, and the rest will be 4th on A and 4th on D. So there you have the chords: E, E sus4, A, C sharp minor, B, and F sharp minor. So let's start with the song, and it starts in a very easy way. It's just 1 down for the first verse, and pre-chorus and even the chorus. So let's go over the chords. We have E to E sus4. And what I do here, when I have the E, I usually grab the E with my index, my middle finger, and my ring finger here, like this. And when I go over to the E sus4, I don't do like that. I just add my little pinky under the ring finger like this. So I don't work more than necessary for this chord switch here. So E to E sus4. All right. And you play that for 2 rounds. And that's the first verse. Then comes the pre-chorus. The lyrics flying up sky high. There, you're gonna play C sharp minor to A, okay? And then comes E to E sus4 again. And you end with a B. All right. So the timing here for the pre-chorus will be, then comes E to E sus4, and then B. And the B works as a bridge to the chorus. Okay, so that was the pre-chorus, and now the chorus. We have still just 1 down. That will change right after this chorus, but still for this first chorus, 1 down per chord. So now A, E, and B. You play that chord progression for 2 times. A, E, and B. Like this. And then comes in the lyrics nothing as magnificence or magnificent. You play the F sharp minor. And then you go to the C sharp minor on got nothing in the lyrics. On me and you. So on you play B. And then for the last line or bar, you can say it's again A, E, and B. Alright, so that was the chorus. So just to repeat the chorus, it's starting with A, E, and B. You play that chord progression for 2 times. And then again. Then comes the F sharp minor, then C sharp minor and B. And then again, final time, A, E, and B. So that's the chorus. And then we have a post-chorus, We Would Be Strangers. And for this one, here starts the strumming. So it starts with the C sharp minor. So we will look at that chord to look at the strumming pattern. So the full strumming pattern will be like this. I'm gonna play it for you first, and I'm gonna show you how it's done because it's divided into 2 different parts. So let's go with one full strumming. Like that, okay? So down, down, up, clap, down, up. Okay? So the first part will be down, down, up, clap. Okay? So down, down, up, clap. Like that, okay? So down, down, up, clap. Down, down, up, clap. Okay? And the last part, the part 2, will be down, up. And that's it. So together it will be down, down, up, clap, down, up. Okay, so it sounds like this. So now when we're gonna use it for the first time in the song in the post-chorus, We Would Be Strangers. It will be C sharp minor for part 1 only. And then you shift to A and play 3 full strumming patterns. And that will be one little short chord progression, and you will play that for 2 rounds. So C sharp minor, A, C sharp minor, A, okay? And that will sound like this. Again. Down, down, up, clap, down, down, up, clap, down, up, down, down, up, clap, down, up, down, down, up, clap, down, up. Alright, so that is the post-chorus. And then comes kind of an interlude part, and it will be a switch between E and the E sus4. And the pattern here is the same. You're gonna play part 1 for E, and then you shift to E sus4 and play 3 rounds. And you will do that for 2 chord progression rounds as well. So that will sound like this. Alright, so that was the post-chorus and the middle play. Now we hit the second verse here. The chords will be the same as in the first verse. It will be a shift here between E and E sus4, and you do that for 2 rounds. But now we're gonna use the same strumming pattern instead. So for the first round of E sus4, you're gonna play part 1 for E, and the E sus4 you're gonna play that for 5 strumming rounds, right? So 5 full strumming rounds for E sus4, and then you go back to E, play part 1, and on the final E sus4 you're gonna play it for 3 rounds. So E part 1, E sus4, 5 rounds, E part 1, and E sus4, 3 rounds. So let's go for that. 4, 5, again. 1, 2, 3. And that is the second verse. All right. So we're moving forward here to the second pre-chorus. It's the same again as the first pre-chorus, but we still have the strumming, so it changes a little bit there. So, same chords, that means C sharp minor. You play that for part 1, and you shift to A and play that for 3 full rounds. Then we go to E, play that for part 1, and E sus4 for 3 full rounds. So, still the same chords. And then final chord will be B. You play that for 2 rounds plus a pause, and that pause builds up for the chords that comes next. So let's go over the chords with the strumming to show you how it sounds. So let's start with C sharp minor to A, and then move on with E, E sus4, and then B. Let's go. Pause. So that's the pre-chorus, and that leads to next chorus. Okay, this one will be strummed, so it's a strumming pattern, still the same chords. So for this now we're gonna play A, E, and B for two chord progression rounds, remember, and then we're gonna go for F sharp minor, C sharp minor, and B, and then you're gonna end with another round of A, E, and B. We're going to play A, part 1, E, 1 full strumming pattern, and B, 2 full strumming patterns. That will be for 2 rounds. And then on the F sharp minor, you're going to play 2 full rounds, C sharp minor, 1 full round, and B, 1 full round. And then you're going to end again with this A, part 1, E, 1 full, and B, 2 full. So let's play that together. Sharp, 2 rounds, C sharp 1, B 1, A, E, B, and that's the chorus. After this chorus comes a bridge part and lyrics, all my cares are unbound. Okay, so we'll continue the strumming, and the chords will be C sharp minor, part 1, A, 3 full rounds, then again, C sharp minor, part 1, and A, 3 full rounds. Then C sharp minor, part 1, A, 1 full round, then B, 1 full round, and C sharp minor, 1 full. And we're gonna end with A for 4 rounds and a pause. Okay, so I'm gonna take you through this a little bit slower, and I'm gonna speak meanwhile I'm playing here. So let's go start with the C sharp minor. So C sharp, A, 3 rounds, and again, and C sharp minor, A 1 round, then B 1 round, C sharp minor 1 round, and A 4 rounds. Pause, and that pause leads to the final chorus. So this one will be played with the same chords as we have for the other choruses, and it will be played in the same way as we played the first chorus, which means 1 down per chord. So we don't have to go through that now, but A, E, and B, and so on for 2 rounds, and then F sharp, C sharp, B, and then A, E, and B again. 1 down per chord, and that's the final chorus. We have the post-chorus left, so We Would Be Strangers, played with the strumming. We already went through that before. And then it ends with an outro, Nothing as Magnificent, We Would Be Strangers, and so on. That will be C sharp minor, part 1, A 3 full rounds. And you're gonna play that little short chord progression for 6 rounds. And that, my friends, will cover Oh Wonder Magnificent. So, a great song coming there for Oh Wonder. And I'm a big fan of Oh Wonder and the songs they make there. So, thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful. And that's my mission. And if it was, please let me know. Thumb up, subscribe if you haven't yet, helps me a lot. And yeah, play tuned.